Hello, my third grade friends, and we are doing the math review answers, or you're checking your answers and making sure how you got there is correct for week 16, day 2. Expectations, you do 10 minutes of work trying to solve these 4 problems. If you haven't solved them in 10 minutes, stop, and hopefully you're watching this. If you've done it in less than 10 minutes, great. Then I want you to solve this. Either way, you need to show me your work and you need to make sure you correct your answers. Okay, Noah has 5 pieces of bubble gum to share with 5 teammates. He wants to give each teammate the same number of pieces. How many pieces can Noah give each teammate? So he has 5 pieces of gum. Okay, here's our 5 pieces. And he wants to give each teammate the same amount of pieces, and he has 5 teammates. Okay, so here's our teammates, right? So basically he's dividing his stash equally, right? He's got the stash of gum. Here's his gum and here's his teammates. So the equation would be 5 divided by 5, right? So we have 5 pieces and we're dividing it by 5. So each person would get 1 piece of gum, right? Because we're dividing it into 5 equal groups and we have 5 things. So 1 piece of gum. You gotta write small. Remember, we're not just saying 1, we're labeling our answer. Okay, 625 minus 210. So let's do this using standard algorithm. So that's what we're working towards. We line everything up. Okay. I have 5 and I want to take away 0. I can do that, so that leaves me 5. I have 20 or 2 and I want to take away 1 or 10 because I'm saying 20 or 10 because it's in the 10 spot, right? Well, 2 minus 1 is 1. And then 6, I have 600 or 6 minus 2 or 200 because it's in the 100 spot. 6 minus 2, I can do that. So I'm left with 415. Either way, let me see how you did that. If you solved it a different way, that's totally fine. Abel drew some triangles. His drawing had 21 vertices. How many triangles did he draw? Write a division equation to answer this question. Okay, so vertices, if you're confused by this or stumped, are just lines. So we know a triangle always has how many sides? Hopefully you know that a triangle always has 3 sides, okay? So if I did this, that'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I could go on and on and on. Or I know that he started with 21, and then we're trying to figure out how many triangles he did. And a triangle has 3 sides, so each triangle has to have 3 sides, so it would be 21 divided by 3. And I could do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Or I just know that 21 divided by 3 is 7. However you solve that, that's great. But this is the division equation. Complete this table. Well, remember how we complete these tables? Basically, we put like a times. So 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. And you could also notice that, like, again, multiplication is very much like skip counting, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You get the number of how many times it skip counts by how many times you've repeated the number. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, we know is 15, and that was 3 times 5. We did it 3 times. Okay, Today's word of the day is going to be, math. Machine. You're a math machine. Okay. Please write the word of the day, the secret word of the day on your paper, and then get that turned in by taking a clear picture and submitting it online. Okay, until next time, we'll see you later.